Hello, my wonderful friends, and welcome to this channel. Today's job, I am bringing it from Under Armour. Under Armour, they're looking for a senior manager, digital merchandising, that is going to be working fully remote. And as you can see here, it's a business unit is a corporate, region is North America, employee class will be full time, employment time will be salaried. So, what does Under Armour purpose for this role? They are seeking a strategic and inspiring leader to oversee their site merchandising function across the US and Canada. This role will be responsible for driving digital growth through a best-in-class site experience across UA.com, that is UnderArmour.com, and the app. You will lead a team of 4 to 8 site merchants organized by category, ensuring their digital shelf reflect the perfect balance of brand storytelling and commercial performance. So category means there's a category for shoes and there's a category for maybe paints, there's a category for socks, there's a category for water bottles. So that is what you're going to be leading that team into. Your impact in Under Armour, you will own and evolve the site merchandising strategy for the US and Canada. You will translate business priorities into a seasonal roadmap that aligns with product launches, brand campaigns, and key commercial moments. You will partner with cross-functional business partners from merchandising, marketing, digital, product through Under Armour go-to-market process to define future season on-site merchandising and strategy. You will ensure the digital experience reflects a thoughtful balance. You will also be a champion customer first merchandising through improved navigation. This is where customer gives feedback and you will kind of like getting into those feedback and see what can be improved. You will also deliver strategic insight by synthesizing customer behavior, and you will lead and inspire a team of 4 to 8 site matches. What are the qualifications they're looking for? In this place right here, I don't want you to get intimidated about it. As long as you have experience and it's proven that you have had a solid experience, which is qualification, apply for this job. So the qualification for this job, they want a person that is experienced with Salesforce Commerce Cloud or like product management system. They also require of you to be an effective communicator, verbal and written. They also want you to be a strong project management, analytical, problem solving. If you have worked in a retail store customer service, you are definitely um, proved to be a good candidate for this job because you have either solved a problem with a customer, you're a good communicator. So I would urge you, don't even look that you need to have a bachelor degree with 8 to 10 years. No, just if you have that good experience and it proves to be a solid one, you are qualified to this job. The workplace, of course, is fully remote, and the base compensation for this job is 123 K, and the highest is 169. Okay, so this is a good job to get in. And guys, it's just customer service, literally. A senior manager, digital merchandising, but if you have worked as customer service, you would qualify to this job. With this job here, I have already uploaded a resume that is ready made for you. All you have to do is go to the site. The site is Digital Ready Resume, and you will see the resume right here. That is the resume that you need to get. It's ready made for you. All you have to do is to edit this resume to fit your qualification, but it's already made for you. You just have to put in your name, your address, and your email, and you're ready to go.